This is a 2-bed 1-bath located at 158 Fitch Street. Starting at the front entrance, the living room, dining room and kitchen area are directly ahead. Throughout this suite, there is hard surface, luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. On the right is the kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, stove, laminate countertop, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher and sink. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the dining and living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, there are 2 large windows with a glass door on the right that leads onto the balcony. Leftwards of the entrance is a hallway that leads straight. The first door on the right leads to the first bedroom. Just prior to the first bedroom, there are 2 sliding double-door closets on the left. The first bedroom features a glass window on the back left wall and a double-door closet on the immediate right. At the end of the hallway is the bathroom. Just prior to the bathroom, there is a closet on the left. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and shower. The vanity features 3 drawers and a cupboard below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Right of the bathroom is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a glass window on the back right wall and a double-door closet on the immediate left.